Welcome to Key Tech. Please describe this channel if you are interested in today's video. The long-arm jurisdiction of the United States has always been criticized. Even in other countries, the United States will reflect its own laws and regulations. Take the Netherlands as an example. The United States prohibits ASML from the Netherlands from exporting high-end lithography equipment. Just because the ASML lithography machine uses American technology, it is necessary to interfere with the business of other countries at will. Not only lithography machines, the United States has intensified, and ASML is also prohibited from hiring Chinese employees, and the matter has further escalated. ASML is a leading manufacturer of photolithography machines in the Netherlands, and its products have a large share of the global market. Lithography machines are an integral and critical piece of equipment in the semiconductor manufacturing process, used to project circuit patterns onto silicon wafers, and are therefore critical to the semiconductor industry. ASML is deeply affected by the U.S. rules, and restrictions on the shipment of lithography machines have brought a certain amount of pressure on ASML. China is increasing the layout of the chip industry. If Chinese companies cannot purchase ASML lithography machines smoothly, they will lose a lot of sales opportunities. Chinese manufacturers will also speed up independent research and development, and one day realize the replacement of ASML lithography machines. ASML is very aware of the importance of the Chinese market. In order to expand the layout of the Chinese market, ASML emphasizes that there are many old equipment that can be shipped, while recruiting more Chinese employees and expanding the size of the Chinese team to better serve Chinese customers. But the United States has intensified. In addition to restricting the shipment of lithography machines, the United States also prohibits ASML from hiring Chinese employees. This regulation has also been recognized by the Dutch human rights organization. According to the news, the Dutch human rights organization has made a decision that ASML will prohibit the employment of employees from China, Iran and other countries in accordance with the export control rules of the United States to prevent the leakage of American technology. It is worth mentioning that the Dutch government does not have such regulations, but the United States has put forward relevant requirements, but the Dutch Human Rights Organization believes that ASML should abide by such regulations. Leaving aside whether the regulations made by the United States are reasonable or not, the opinion of the Dutch Human Rights Organization has already violated the definition of human rights, once again showing the world the double standards of Western countries. And where ASML recruits employees is the company's freedom. As an international company, ASML needs to set up R&D centers, offices, etc. around the world. Is it true that the headquarters will send employees? This so-called Dutch Human Rights Organization should reflect on it. Using other countries' laws to use its own business has left people speechless. Looking at the rules of the United States first restricted ASML from freely shipping EUV lithography machines, then reached an agreement with the Netherlands to restrict the export of DUV lithography machines, and then prohibited ASML from hiring Chinese employees. Features of arm jurisdiction. ASML has been deeply involved in the rule situation time and time again. If it wants to fight for free shipments, It has to look at the face of the United States, because ASML uses American technology. If ASML wants to get rid of the shackles of the United States and realize the autonomy and control of the right to speak, it can start from multiple aspects. In terms of technology research and development, ASML continues to increase investment in research and development, and continuously improves core technology capabilities and independent innovation capabilities. Through continuous research and development efforts, ASML can maintain its leading position in the field of lithography machines and reduce its dependence on American technology. In terms of market layout, ASML can actively expand the global market and reduce its dependence on the US market. ASML can strengthen cooperation with customers in Europe, Asia, and other regions to promote the application and sales of lithography machines worldwide. Strengthen cooperation with lithography machine manufacturers and technology companies in other countries to jointly promote the development of lithography machine technology. Through technology sharing and cooperative research and development, ASML can reduce its dependence on American technology and enhance its voice. In addition, ASML must also strengthen its own production and supply chain management to reduce its dependence on key components and technologies from the United States. ASML can consider increasing its own capacity in the production of key components, or establishing strategic partnerships with suppliers from other countries to ensure the stability and controllability of the supply chain. Since the United States relies on technological advantages to restrict, using technological substitution as an entry point, I believe that ASML can have more independent choices. Of course, the most important thing is that the Netherlands must have a clear understanding, be able to see the true face of the United States, and keep a distance from the United States. The United States has never been at peace with the Netherlands. It seems to regard the Netherlands as an ally, but it is actually using the Netherlands' lithography machine industry to restrict other countries. If the Netherlands is not a big country in the lithography machine industry, I am afraid that the United States will not spend so much attention on the Netherlands. Now it is going to take action against Dutch companies to restrict their business, but the Netherlands is helping the United States to restrict, which is really wrong. If ASML goes downhill because of this, no one can predict what kind of blow the Dutch lithography industry will suffer in the future. While there is still a chance to look back, it is time for the Netherlands to make a new choice. If you agree, please like it, welcome to Forward, leave a message and share.